You'd think every motorcycle on the market sells for a reason? Well, the Consumer Reports list might surprise you. From bikes that look good on paper but fail miserably on the road, to brands you'd never expect to flop this hard, these 14 motorcycles are the ones riders avoid like a pothole at 80 miles an hour. If you're thinking about buying a bike anytime soon, don't even consider it until you see what's on this list, because some of these might still be sitting in showrooms for a reason. Let's dive in. Number 14. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R SE. It promises an exhilarating ride, but it fails to deliver long-term performance. Riders report a host of frustrating issues like engine failures and quick-wearing transmissions. When you're riding a machine built for speed, you expect reliability, but this bike's electronics are known to malfunction far too often. To make matters worse, frequent overheating and a poor suspension system make this bike more of a headache than a thrill ride. Despite its reputation on the track, its quick deterioration makes it one of the worst choices for enthusiasts. Imagine pulling up to your favorite twisty road only to have your suspension or transmission fail. Not exactly the dream ride. Number 13. CF Moto 700 CLX Sport. It looks the part, but it doesn't play the part. Riders have noted serious engine durability issues that make the bike unreliable long-term. The weak brakes can be a potential safety hazard, and the materials used for the fairings and bodywork have earned complaints for being cheaply made. Add to that the frequent oil leaks and fuel system failures, and you have a bike that's better off in the showroom than on the road. Don't let its sleek appearance fool you. While it's affordable, it's more of a show bike than a reliable ride. Check out the description if you want to grab the secret tools I personally use on my motorcycles. Number 12. Yamaha Starbolt Aspect. It could have been a stylish cruiser, but it falls flat in performance and comfort. Its weak engine struggles to keep up with modern bikes, and the overheating issues only add to the frustration. Electrical failures have plagued the bike, and for a bike that looks so well crafted, it sure feels awkward when riding. The low ground clearance and uncomfortable riding position make long rides a painful experience, not something you want from a bike built for leisure. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable cruiser that actually works well, you might want to pass on the Starbolt Aspect. Number 11. Royal Enfield Himalayan Adventure. On paper, it is marketed as an off-road beast. But in reality, it's far from it. From frequent recalls to engine knocking, the Himalayan's build quality leaves much to be desired. The fragile suspension parts and broken wiring issues make it less than ideal for the adventure you've been dreaming of. The limited dealer network adds another layer of frustration when something inevitably breaks down. Many riders also complain about the bike's overall lack of reliability when taking it off-road, and that's a big letdown for anyone looking for a dependable off-road machine. Number 10. Ducati DL 1260S. Ducati is known for its stunning designs, and the DL is no exception. But when it comes to performance, the bike doesn't live up to its glamorous exterior. Engine overheating is a frequent issue, often followed by coolant leaks. The ride quality is unstable, leaving riders questioning the bike's overall build. To make matters worse, Ducati's reputation for expensive repairs and diagnostics doesn't help the situation. This bike may look great on paper, but its long-term costs and unreliability make it a tough sell for any serious rider. Number 9. BMW S1000 XR. It offers speed and power, but it's plagued with mechanical failures. Gearbox issues, clutch problems, and frequent fuel injection failures create a maintenance nightmare for riders. When you're investing in a high-end machine, you expect smooth performance, not a bike that constantly needs repair. Add to that the high costs associated with maintaining this bike, and it quickly becomes clear that the S1000 XR is better left off your wish list. With its frequent mechanical failures and steep maintenance costs, this bike might leave you wishing you'd made a different choice. Number 8. Moto Guzzi V73. It has a lot of appeal for classic motorcycle lovers, but it doesn't deliver when it comes to reliability. Riders report frequent electrical issues and oil leaks that make this bike more of a headache than a joyride. The fragile gearbox and clunky transmission are also major turnoffs, making it difficult to enjoy any ride longer than a short trip around town. Finding parts can also be a challenge. And the expensive nature of those parts makes the V73 a poor investment. A classic look doesn't mean much when the bike doesn't work as expected. Number 7. Triumph Rocket 3 GT. It is a true powerhouse with its massive engine, but that power doesn't translate into reliability. Riders report constant oil leaks and electronic failures that can leave you stranded on the side of the road. On top of that, the bike's uncomfortable seat and poor heat management make long rides unbearable. If you're a rider who's in it for the long haul, the Rocket 3 GT may disappoint you. The search for parts can also be a struggle, making maintenance even more of a headache than it should be. Quick reminder to subscribe if you haven't yet. Stay tuned to big brands also coming your way. Let's get back to it. Number 6. KTM 790 Duke. It comes with a reputation for its aggressive look and powerful engine, but under the surface it has plenty of issues that make it one of the worst bikes to own. Riders have reported frequent engine oil leaks, along with unreliable electronics that make it a gamble every time you start the engine. The fuel injection and cooling system malfunctions are also recurring issues that make the Duke feel less like a road warrior and more like a maintenance nightmare. Add to that the faulty dashboard displays, and you're left with a bike that's more about style than substance. High maintenance costs and expensive parts further add to the burden of owning this bike. Number 5. Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT. It is marketed as an adventure bike, capable of handling both on-road and off-road terrain. But in reality, it fails on both fronts. The weak build quality and frequent electronic issues make it unreliable for any serious riding. Overheating and unstable handling only add to the frustration. When it comes to off-road suspension, the V-Strom doesn't deliver the ruggedness that adventure riders crave. For a bike that's supposed to be the Swiss Army knife of motorcycles, it falls short in almost every aspect. Expensive repairs and a lack of durability make this bike an unreliable companion for any serious adventure. Number 4. Indian Scout Bobber 60. It looks fantastic on paper, but once you hit the road, it becomes clear why it's not a popular choice. The poor handling and weak suspension make it uncomfortable for longer rides. Heating issues plague the engine, and frequent clutch failures add to the list of things that can go wrong. The worn-out brakes and high repair costs make this bike a liability rather than a fun cruiser to ride. If you're looking for a bike that combines style with reliability, the Indian Scout Bobber 60 isn't the one. Despite its looks, it struggles to deliver the performance and comfort expected from a cruiser. Number 3. Suzuki GSX-S750. This motorcycle tries to offer a sporty ride, but it's plagued with numerous issues that make it one of the worst buys on the market. Riders often complain about the jerky throttle response, fuel inefficiency, and the fragile body panels made from cheap plastics. The transmission problems and engine sensor failures are also major issues that frequently lead to breakdowns. If you're looking for a sports bike that gives you both power and reliability, the GSX-S750 misses the mark. While it's easy to get excited about its potential, the frequent mechanical failures and the need for constant repairs make it a poor investment for any rider. Number 2. CF Moto 650 NK. It might seem like an affordable option, but it's riddled with problems that make it anything but a deal. The engine stalling issues, overheating, and weak brakes are just the tip of the iceberg. The cheap plastics used throughout the bike give it a subpar feel, and with a low resale value and high maintenance costs, this bike quickly becomes more trouble than it's worth. While it's tempting to save a little money up front, the 650 NK's ongoing issues and limited performance make it a poor choice for any rider looking for longevity and reliability in a motorcycle. Number 1. Kawasaki Versys 650. And this motorcycle sounds like it would be the perfect all-rounder. A bike that does it all, from daily commuting to weekend adventures. However, the reality is far from that. The complex electronics and engine problems are frequent complaints, leaving riders constantly dealing with frustrating malfunctions. Poor wind protection and vibrating handlebars only add to the discomfort of daily rides. It struggles with faulty ABS modules and fuel pump failures, making it a safety risk on top of everything else. Despite its promising name and initial appeal, the Kawasaki Versys 650 proves that not every versatile bike lives up to the hype.